So right now it's August time frame. You know, it doesn't matter if it's big bodies of water or like the Great Lakes like we're on today. It's the middle of summer, it's the peak of summer, the water's the warmest. It's about 74 degrees right now. But one thing that's always important, doesn't matter if it's just a big body of water like Lake of the Woods or any of the Great Lakes, current is a big key to summertime success, especially on these big bodies of water or the Great Lakes especially. And so what we're doing out here today on one of the Great Lakes is really looking for those high current areas, you know, those steep bluffs, and anywhere you can find that current, you can find a series of boulders. I mean, especially the bigger the boulders, the better on a piece of structure. That's where these fish really hang out, and that's where they really hide and feed. And a lot of times that's where they live. You know, just either trolling methods to really fine tune on where these fish are relating to these pieces of structure, obviously because they can be vast.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.